Guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I was hoping to have some news on the Yukon from the last video. A little bit of a hiccup. Apparently the mice chewed through the registration, and I didn't know this until some of the people that I work with at my regular job told me. New York State will still require a title, even though it's a Vermont vehicle. Some of you may not know this. Anything purchased after January 1st in 2024 in the state of Vermont gets a title no matter what year the vehicle is. Normally it was like a certain year thing and they didn't do it. So she's trying to get the title for it. If she gets the title for it, perfect, we're going to go out and get it. Fingers crossed, because I ended up talking to the husband for, I want to say like 25, 30 minutes on the phone. Kind of like what I'm hearing. From what I'm gathering, the mice got up underneath and chewed, I'm assuming, the gas pedal. If I was a betting man. Truck starts, goes into gear, says low power, they push the gas pedal, doesn't do anything. Everything's drive-by-wire on those things, so I'm assuming that's where it's probably chewed up. That's where we're going to start if I can get it here. And then the whole thing needs to be tore apart clean, because as you saw, and Rob will throw up the pictures of it again now, it's filthy. I mean, it's just downright dirty. Probably the nastiest one I think I've seen so far. Maybe. Who knows? She's supposed to send me more pictures today. But in today's video, we're going to make something productive. I'm actually going to clean the car. I got the Minion over there. You gonna wave? There she goes. She's waving. We're gonna get the car cleaned up. Let me get you in here so you can see how bad it is. We are covered in pollen, dust, you name it. It's there. It's filthy, and we're gonna get her cleaned up. You just look at the rims. I've been a little heavy on the brakes lately, so we gotta get that scrubbed up. We're gonna get her fired up, back it out, and just start cleaning. All right, she's outside. Fingers crossed the sun's out for right now. I gotta get everything still set up. Let me show you some of the products that I use. I kind of use a mixed batch of everything, but for most part, I use pretty much Meguiar's products. I use the Gold Class soap, they're all wheel cleaner, and then the hybrid ceramic wax. I've already used this once on the car. The first time that you use this, you're gonna want to spray it all over the car, dry it with a microfiber towel for the first application. The next time you do it, you kind of spritz it all over, 2-3 sprays per panel, take the pressure washer, rinse it off, dry the car. It reapplies and reaffirms what's already on the car. So that's what we're gonna do. I gotta get everything set up, get the buckets filled, because obviously we're doing a two bucket wash method on this. The first thing I'm gonna get done is the rims. It's part I always start with first, and then I do the whole hand wash on the car. So less yapping, more soaping. that's it for that. Now we're gonna put on the, as I call it, secret sauce, and get this thing a little bit more protected. I can't dock the Meguiar's products. I mean, look what it does to the thing. It makes it look beautiful every time I clean it. But that's it. That's all we have for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, throw a thumbs up. And please, we are officially, I'm so happy, me and Rob both are, we just hit over 400 subscribers. So we're moving forward in the direction we want to keep going. So thank you for everyone that's stuck around with us for this wild ride for the last couple of years. Hopefully we'll have a Yukon in the next video. We can start working on that, get some good content out of that thing. So as always, share us with a friend. I know I already said it, but give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Have the bell notification on, and we'll catch you in the next one. And then the first thing I should say, Robert's gonna fix this. Secret sauce. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button.